Simba TV.
We sneeze as a natural reflex to protect our respiratory system by clearing out irritants from our nose and throat. Here's how it works: irritant detection. When particles like dust, pollen, smoke, or even strong odors enter the nose, they can irritate the sensitive lining of the nasal passages. This irritation sends signals to the brain. Reflex response. The brain responds by triggering a sneeze reflex, which involves a rapid intake of air, followed by a forceful expulsion through the nose and mouth. This forceful burst helps to eject the irritants from the nasal passages. Immune defense. Sneezing also helps in expelling bacteria or viruses, which may help prevent infections from taking hold in the respiratory tract.